Did you know you can make a Roblox game using AI in Roblox Studio? No coding needed. It's easier than you think. Discover game development accessible to everyone. Roblox Studio's generative AI and pre-built assets save you tons of time. Grab assets from the toolbox. It's like a treasure chest at your fingertips. Now, let's jump straight into the tutorial. In this chapter, we'll explore tools and resources for game development without coding. Imagine creating a game by simply dragging and dropping elements. Sounds amazing, right? Platforms like Unity and Unreal Engine offer visual scripting tools such as Bolt and Blueprints. These tools let you design game mechanics without writing code. Game Maker Studio is known for its drag-and-drop system, perfect for beginners. RPG Maker provides a user-friendly interface to create role-playing games. Construct uses a visual event system, while Stencil offers a block-based interface. Online resources and communities like itch.io and gamedev.net offer tutorials and asset stores. Dive in and start creating your dream games today. Happy game making! Now that we've explored the tools and resources available for no-code game development, let's dive into some real-world examples of successful games created without any coding. These success stories will not only inspire you, but also provide valuable insights into what made them stand out. First up, we have Hyper Light Drifter, a critically acclaimed action-adventure game developed using Game Maker Studio's drag-and-drop system. The game's stunning pixel art, engaging gameplay, and compelling narrative captivated players worldwide. The key takeaway here is the importance of unique art style and storytelling in making a game memorable. Next, let's look at Celeste, another gem created with Game Maker Studio. This platformer game is renowned for its tight controls, challenging levels, and emotional depth. The developers focused on creating a seamless and satisfying player experience, which is crucial for any game's success. With the right no-code tools and a creative vision, you too can create a successful game that stands out in the crowded market. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Happy game making! Finally, we'll provide some tips and tricks for optimizing your game development process. From planning and design to testing and deployment, these strategies will help you create a polished and engaging game. First, start with a clear vision. Define your game's core concept and mechanics before diving into development. This will save you time and help you stay focused on your goals. Next, create a prototype. Use no-code tools to quickly build a basic version of your game. This allows you to test and refine your ideas early on, ensuring that your game is fun and engaging. Don't underestimate the importance of design. Take time to create a visually appealing and user-friendly interface. Remember, first impressions matter, and a well-designed game will attract and retain players. Testing is crucial. Regularly playtest your game and gather feedback from others. This will help you identify and fix any issues, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable player experience. Lastly, plan your deployment. Research the best platforms for your game and understand their requirements. This will help you reach your target audience and maximize your game's success. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to creating a standout game with no coding required. Remember, the key to success is a combination of creativity, planning, and continuous improvement. Happy game making!